Every day, we go about our routines. Work, home, family. Work, home, family.
Another nightmare.
Sleeping okay?
I don't understand why you won't get some help.
Because they're gonna say it's in my head.
It is just in your head.
I think these dreams are the future. What if something bad is coming?
You see that? You kidding? Of course I can.
What is that?
If we stay here, we die.
What's happening out there has been headed our way for a very long time.
You'll be safe.
Ladies and gentlemen, following on the news given in our bulletin a moment ago, the Government Meteorological Bureau has requested the large observatories of the country to keep an astronomical watch on any further disturbances occurring on the planet Mars. Due to the unusual nature of this occurrence, we have arranged an interview with the noted astronomer, Professor Pearson, who will give us his views on this event. In a few moments, we will take you to the Princeton Observatory at Princeton, New Jersey. We return you until then to the music of Raymond Raquello and his orchestra.
H.G.Wells wrote many novels that seem to have foretold the future. What did he really know? And was this his way of sharing ideas too ludicrous at the time to be taken seriously? He was among some of the greatest minds of our time. Of course, he had War of the Worlds, which he's so famous for. There was also some other books that really stand out. The World Set Free. This was written in 1914, and it was about the atom or the atomic bomb. A Modern Utopia, written in 1905, a parallel utopian Earth. The First Men in the Moon. That was written in 1901, and it was about anti-gravity and an underground civilization on the moon. Another book, The Crystal Egg, written in 1897. The crystal egg is a dimensional window and can see the planet Mars. There was also the book, which I'm sure many of you have heard and read, or possibly seen the movies, The Time Machine. In 1895, Wells wrote in The Time Machine, "There is no difference between time and any of the three dimensions of space, except that our consciousness moves along it." He added, "Scientific people know very well that time is only a kind of space." Wells introduced to his readers the idea of time as a dimension and pondered why we cannot travel as freely in that dimension as we can in space. There are really 4 dimensions, he wrote, 3 which we call the 3 planes of space, and a 4th, which is time. There is, however, a tendency to draw an unreal distinction between the former 3 dimensions and the latter, because it happens that our consciousness moves intermittently in one direction along the ladder from the beginning to the end of our lives. Here is a portrait of a man at 8 years old, another at 15, another at 23, and so on. All are evidently sections, as it were, 3-dimensional representations, which is a fixed and unalterable thing.
With the period to be estimated by weeks and months rather than by eons, there has been a fundamental change in the conditions under which life exists. The end of everything we call life is close at hand and cannot be evaded. It is going clean out of existence, leaving not a wreck behind.
So what did these men know? What was H.G.Wells possibly trying to tell us in so many books with so much detail about future technology? This is February 10th in Dubai, and I recorded 2 days, but the interference that was happening, I left it in so you can see, but there's definitely something there, whether this is Dave Dobbs' object that we're seeing far from a distance, the debris cloud, or if it's not physical and it's more dimensional. And there's more to come on that after you see this footage. Please take a look and see what you think. Keep watching the time in the lower right corner. The sun is supposed to rise at 6:56 a.m. But look at all of the light sources and follow their direction down to the horizon. Yes, they are moving down to the horizon before sunrise. And I do believe this was electromagnetic interference.
Witness an empty space, filled with thousands of screaming people. A man both nowhere and everywhere at the same time. Answers are new questions. The unthinkable is the expected. When truth is not the truth, what dimension are you even in?
And while doing some research, I stumbled across this using Google Earth. It's the Fermilabs Computing Center. Take a look at, I don't even know what you would call it, a statue, a monument, a...
What is love with took my love and I took it down. Climbed a mountain and I turned around, and I saw my reflection in the snow-covered hills, till the landslide brought me down. Oh, mirror in the sky, what is love? Can the child within my heart rise above? And can I sail through the changing ocean tides? Can I handle the seasons of my life? I don't know. Ooh, I don't know. Well, I've been afraid of changing, 'cause I built my life around you. But time makes you bolder, children get older, I'm getting older too, yeah. Time makes you bolder, children get older, I'm getting older too. Yes, I'm getting older too. So, could you take this love, take it down? Oh, if you climb a mountain and you turn around, if you see my reflection in the snow-covered hills where the landslide.
Thank you for watching, and much love to you all.
If you see my reflection in the snow covered hills.
I am English by origin, but I am early world man, and I live in exile from the world community of my desires. I salute that finer, larger world across the generations, and maybe someone down the vista may look back and appreciate an ancestral salutation.